Hello and welcome to cjmeds. This is going to be the first video from the brain anatomy series. In this video series, I will be covering the complete anatomy of the brain. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell to get updated about my upcoming videos. Let's get started with overview of the brain. It consists of the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, out of which the central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system consists of the extensions of neural structures beyond the central nervous system and includes somatic and autonomic divisions. The brain is composed of three main structural divisions: the cerebrum, the brainstem, and the cerebellum. At the base of the brain is the brainstem, which extends from the upper cervical spinal cord to the diencephalon of the cerebrum. The brainstem is divided into the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata, and posterior to the brainstem lies the cerebellum. So this was the general overview of the brain and its structures. The next video will be on gross anatomy of the cerebrum. So turn on the notifications bell for my channel to get notified to watch the video. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.